This is Austin with Gallegos Plumbing doing a private sewer lateral inspection for 44 Bell Way in the city of Ventura. I am roughly 108 feet out from the 4-inch ABS cleanout that I accessed on the left side yard next to the back units. I'm currently looking at the city connection towards the center of the street, and I'm going to start pulling back towards the home. During this inspection, what I'm looking for are any offsets, cracks, breaks, or root intrusion. As I start at the city connection, I'm going to start pulling back. We are in 4-inch clay sewer pipe. I had some sinks running, and you can see the water feeding into the city lateral pipe there. This is 4-inch clay out in the street. So the section of pipe from the sidewalk out to the city connection of the street is clay. And as I pull onto the property line here, we will make a transition to ABS pipe. You can see on the right side of the screen kind of a bunch of ants that are in there. So here we have a clean out that's just before the sidewalk. So this is all ABS pipe, so it's newer drainage system. Usually these would be clay when initially installed, but this is an ABS plastic drainage system, which is good. So as you can see so far, the pipe is free and clear of all debris. You can see my camera is not underwater, and we see that the water is flowing out adequately as I ran those two sinks. So here, as I pull to this 65-foot mark, you can start to see the water sitting in the bottom of the drain line. So we call this a sag or a belly, where the drain has kind of a flat section of pipe or improper grade. It should be a 1/4-inch fall per foot, but you can see my camera from the 68-foot mark is now underwater through this section of pipe. And this section of pipe is basically in between the front unit and the two back units. So from 68 feet to roughly 52 feet, there is a sag in the pipe. I'm going to clean my lens up here a little bit. And then we come out of the sag here at the 50-foot mark. So with the sag in the pipe, what can happen is, if wet wipes are flush or a lot of grease is put down the drain in these areas, grease can get built up there, or soft stoppages can happen. The only way to truly fix that is by excavating it and having it to have new grade. Again, here, 40-foot mark, you can see this section of pipe with the sag as well. This is a newer, like I said, ABS drainage system. But at those areas where the sags are, buildup can happen and can cause soft stoppages. It seems because we're kind of downhill of the sewer line, they may have had difficulty installing the pipe to have grade. I didn't see a ton of grease in the pipe, but it's just something I'm going to note on my inspection report, that it basically has a sag in the drain system. And then I'm going to start to come up, take my clean out here. Here's my clean out, 44 Appian Way, in between the front and back unit. That completes my inspection.